ATI's xTreme washdown trailers provide the ability to tow a complete pressure cleaning and washdown solution right to your application. By equipping the trailers with well-known and high-performing pump and motor combinations, you can be assured that these units will keep performing day in and day out. Standard fit-out options include hot and cold water pressure cleaners for heavy grime and dirt, and a firefighting pump and motor for general-purpose washdown and dust suppression. Designed and tested by transport engineers, the positioning of the fully baffled tank on either a tandem or single-axle trailer, depending on tank size, ensures smooth towing and easy reversing. Upgrade options include a diesel motor, deflector spray heads, wireless controls and a dribble bar. This multi-purpose trailer can be used for equipment washdown, firefighting, dust suppression, water delivery and various other applications. The xTreme trailers perform impressively in high-demand situations, while at the same time being practical, safe to use for anyone in your team, and enhance the reputation and your company image to your clients. The xTreme trailer is used and loved by civil contractors, landscapers and councils across Australia. Call today to discuss your requirements.